We're going on a trip. I have nothing to wear.
I'm gonna play you a couple of tunes. Let's get into it. Good.
My cousin is graduating from college, which is crazy, and I'm going to be in DC for 5 days. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear. I just know the weather, and I know that I already have issue number 1. See, the thing is, I'm a chronic overpacker, and I naturally want to bring every single item of clothing that I own, so this is gonna be tough. This is my new closet, as you may have seen from when I moved in. There is a rough itinerary, so I think that I should probably pick outfits based on what we're doing that day. I obviously need like a semi-formal outfit for the graduation and the dinner afterwards, so let's just start there. I love this corset, and it's always fancy. Is it too fancy? I think it might be too fancy. This is such a cute set. It's a dress and a sweater, and the dress looks like this. It's such good quality too. I love the knit, but I think this should go in the maybe pile for maybe a more casual day. I love this vest. Too casual, right? I think too casual. Okay. Here's something that's pretty in the middle. I got this vest while I was thrifting. Oh my goodness, it's like fancy, but it's also just a vest, and if I dress down the pants, then it should be fine. I'll probably pair this with some black pants. I just don't know which ones yet. I'm thinking wide leg, black pants, or flared. Ooh, but the velvet pair has some fabric at the bottom that might not match this, so I'll have to see. Okay, here are the velvet pants, and look, this is the fabric I was talking about at the bottom. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm not sure. Does this go together? I'll put them together so that I can try them on and see if they look good, because I can't really tell without seeing it on my body. Then I'm definitely gonna need an outfit for traveling. Oh my god. Okay, this is in the top spot. I mean, who wouldn't want to wear a matching velvet tracksuit to the airport? There's like nothing comfier than this. Now I want a kind of casual outfit that would be good for like walking around and sightseeing. Guys, look at these jeans my mom gave me. I mean, she didn't technically give them to me. She said I could have them if she could borrow them sometime. I don't know what the deal is. Anyway, they're in my possession, and I am going to wear these. They're giving early 2000s realness, like rock country girl. Love that. Wait, I have to wear these. Okay, I also remembered I have this hat, which I think would go so well with the jeans. Come on, come on. Look how cute. And then I think just keep the middle basic. I'm probably just gonna look for like a white t-shirt. Hey, wait. You guys, I found another vest. What if I wore this vest and then the hat with the jeans? It sounds good in theory, but I'm a little bit on the vest part. I think I should really go for maybe like a oversized cut up t-shirt instead of a vest. Okay, I can't find another white t-shirt that fits the description of what I'm talking about. Do you ever think like, oh, this outfit would go so cute with these boots that look like this and this and that and have this and this and that, and then you look in your closet and you're like, I don't own that item. Okay, stay with me now. I found this tank top that I thought would go really nicely, but the only thing is it's not white and it's ribbed. Ribbed really wasn't. Ooh. Is that my hair? Whoops, that's a blue hair. Ribbed wasn't really the vibe I was trying to go for. I was thinking more like cotton tee but I'm gonna put it with the outfit and I'll see if it looks better than the vest that I already have. I need one more casual outfit. So these are kind of legging material, but they're not actually leggings. I don't know why they came out of the wash like this. They've got like, I don't know if that's dust or what's coming off. I just have to do that to the whole thing. Okay, well these pants, which are really cute because they've got the little bunch up in the front. I believe they're low rise. And then they've got the tie that ties all the way up around your waist. Super casual, right?
I need one more casual outfit.
But they're really comfortable, which is why I'm considering wearing them for a casual outfit. I just have to find a top. And I think honestly, we need to go seriously comfortable look in the t-shirt bin. Okay, I think I'm gonna bring this shirt because this is huge, but still cute. Look how gorgeous this fairy is. How often do you see a black fairy on t-shirts or on anything, honestly? I mean, the straps won't show, but I think that's okay since I'm trying to be comfortable on this day. Ooh, I just remembered that I wanted to bring this dress. I wanted to wear this dress because I recently got a blazer that matches perfectly with this dress. Oh my god, I'm getting into so much trouble. Okay, but how cute is this? This is definitely something I would bring if I had a bigger suitcase, but how am I supposed to get this huge blazer into such a small space? I don't want to ruin it, but I really want to take it. Let's just try it on for fun. See, this is how I get into trouble. I'm just like, let me try it on. Then when I fall in love with it, I'm like, okay, how am I gonna take it? This would definitely be a good option for the graduation. Okay, I know I said comfy, but what about this set? Like, forget about comfortableness when you've got a set like this and they go together already. I don't have to look for a shirt. I don't have to look for pants that match. Okay, this is going in the pile. I need one more comfy option for sure. A lot of this is not looking too comfy, and I know one of those days I'm gonna be like, why did I pack all of this stuff when I just want to be a bum? This romper could be a cute idea, but I think I'll be too cold. Okay, so we need to decide on what shoes we're going to bring. I pulled you guys in a little bit closer so you can see the options. These are all the shoes I own, and looking at it while it's all out, I'm like, I rarely say this, but I think I need more. So I was thinking, since I have so much color picked out with the outfits and I have a limited amount of space to work with, white and black would obviously be a good choice because there are two colors that go with everything. So that automatically eliminates any colored shoes you see, which are not many. I would love to bring these, but I don't know how they're going to fit unless I wear them to the airport, which means I need to change my airport outfit. Also on the roster, these Madden Girl Bratz doll boots. These also go with everything and they are comfortable beyond belief. Like, they are more comfortable than some of my flat shoes. So just trying to see everything. I think these are also a contender, but I feel like these nude sandals would just go with everything. The only thing is that these are not for walking around. These are definitely for a day where you just know you're gonna be sitting all day. It's not that they're not comfortable, it's just that they're not very secure. I think I might have to put these back. We're gonna have the old faithfuls. My God, I have worn these shoes to the ground. I need to order another pair before these fall apart and I'm left on the street embarrassed. These track sneakers. These are not gonna go with everything, but these are so comfortable. I can walk for forever in these shoes and my feet will not hurt. I think for that reason they have to be in the running because I don't have anything else at this point. Oh, my jelly sandals. Will it be warm enough to wear these? These sandals, super cute. Here I am eating my words already. Pink is almost like a neutral color, the way that blue denim jeans are. I think I'm gonna put these in for consideration. I would love to bring these, but ain't no way they're fitting in a suitcase, and two, they're not that comfortable. I do have a pair of black sneakers, but they're giving like I'm running errands or I'm running to the grocery store, but that's not it. Okay, I think I've got enough shoe choices.
Let's get into it.
Okay, let's try these on. This is the first option for the graduation. Now, I will have to add a safety pin like right here, but I knew that when I bought this vest. Now that I'm looking at it together, I don't think this top goes with these pants. It's definitely the color at the bottom of the cuffs. I don't know. I really wanted these two to work together because it's such an easy and simple outfit that can be mixed and matched, but I just don't like it. And if I don't like it now, I'm not gonna like it then. So let's try something else. This was one of the more casual outfits. I like the hat. I like the jeans. I don't like the vest. I really think we need something baggy here because the jeans are kind of tight. Okay, I know I'm supposed to be wearing a loose t-shirt with these jeans, but I don't know. I put this on just because this was the other option for this outfit, and I don't hate it, but I don't love it. It looks better because it's a little bit more covered up, but you're not quite there yet. Okay, I was looking around at my stuff, and I think I found the perfect shirt. It is another fairy shirt, which I will, at this point, have packed all the fairy shirts that I own, which is only 2, but still, like, I like a little bit more variety, but I cannot deny just how good this looks with these pants. This is it. What do you guys think about this option? I know it could be a little bit more snazzy, but there's definitely gonna be a day where I don't feel like wearing any real clothes at all, and this is the best way to do it. Comfortable pants and a shirt that is like not touching me at all. Love the fairy shirt. I love the outfit. It's just a little plain. Okay, this outfit is so cute, but I already knew that. Why I'm confused now is because I forgot when I was supposed to wear this. This is obviously not an airplane fit. It's like a dressy casual. Was I supposed to wear this when I'm like walking around and sightseeing? Like, who do I think I am? This is the airport outfit. I can't think of anything else that is like more equipped to go on a plane. It's a relaxed fit, it's soft to the touch, easy on and off in case you get hot or cold, and it's cute. I love this color so much. Do I need to say more? My only qualm with this outfit is that I have no shoes to wear it with. I'm looking at these shoes and I'm like, none of these go with this. I know, there's no room in my suitcase for this blazer, but look at how good it looks with this outfit. Can definitely wear it buttoned up or open. How cute is that? I need to figure out a way to bring this with me. I love this, and I just feel like it would be so perfect for the graduation. It's like dressy, but not too dressy. Like, this is very loose and comfortable. I'll be fine to sit for hours because like nothing is like bunching up on me. Oh my god, and the coat will like keep me warm. You guys, I need to bring this. Sad to say that this is going in the navy pile because it probably won't fit. Okay, I had my doubts about this outfit, but now that I'm looking at it all put together and actually feeling it on my body, this is definitely a good option for walking around. This is so comfortable. It is tight, but this is so stretchy. And then the sweater to keep you warm on top, and I just love how the sleeves come all the way down to like my fingers, which I feel like is so rare for tall people. It's the little things. And I think every shoe that I picked out except for the blue sneakers would go with this outfit. because everything else is black. Then I have the pink sandals in here that will still go. So yeah, this is a definite yes for me. I mean, come on, look at the cape. I can't not take this dress. It looks really good and it feels even better. Okay, so I've arranged the outfits from most formal to least formal, and I'm trying to make sure that I have shoes that cross over so I can wear them more than once. It's not looking too good. These heels would definitely go with this outfit, and don't come for me with this outfit because I've decided I'm gonna make it work. That's coming with me if I have to carry that jacket in my hand. So just leave that. Don't look at that. These boots will go with that outfit and that outfit. These boots will go with that outfit and that outfit, and these shoes don't go with anything, not even this outfit. So I guess I should take these out, but these are the only sneakers I have. I mean, technically these sneakers could go with that outfit, but I'm really not feeling it. Okay, a lot has happened since I filmed that last clip. I had to dig into the archives. These are like clothes that are for winter that are stowed away that I can't normally wear here.
And look what I found. Do you guys remember this onesie from my haul?
Two hoodies that I thought would go with these pants. I'm not sure how the whole thing will look together. This does not look that bad, even though there's so many colors on the hoodie. And there's also the navy, which is like always goes with light blue, but does it go with that? Well, that looks good too. I think I'm gonna have to try on everything together just to be sure. I might have been overreacting. I actually think this looks fine. I think when I had it closed up, I was like, this looks like it doesn't go, and it doesn't. When you open it up and you put a shirt that's pretty close to the shoes, it's like, why were you worrying? Okay, the sun is going down, which means I am completely out of time for trying to figure out what to pack, but I think we've got a good roster going. I've got the velvet tracksuit, the fairy tank, and the country rock jeans, the fairy tee and the comfy leggings, the two-piece lavender set, and the slip dress with the blazer. I think now's a good time to try and maybe take a break before I have my scheduled 3 meltdowns trying to fit all of that into a carry-on suitcase. Anyway, thanks for hanging out, guys.